How to specify Hibernation file type in Windows 10. Choosing a full or reduced Hibernation file type matters more than users might think. Thus, it is essential to know how to specify it on Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is a Hibernation file, and what are full or reduced types? Thanks to hiberfill.sys, also known as the Hibernation file, users can save their PC's battery power and important projects without interruption or loss under hibernation mode. But when disk or RAM storage is stretched to the limit, it can pose system issues like slower performance and poor memory management. To save crucial disk space, you must configure the file type to full or reduced. What do these mean? Full type enables hibernation power saving mode and fast startup, which can take up more memory space. Reduced type, meanwhile, disables hibernation but still retains fast startup, resulting in reduced memory space use. How to use command prompt to specify full or reduced hibernation file type. Once you have decided which type to enable, you can configure the file using command prompt. Run it as the administrator and type powercfg/a to check your device's supported sleep or power options. Type powercfg/h/type full to select full, or powercfg/h/type reduced to select reduced. Confirm configurations by running the command prompt. Alternatively, you can disable hibernation mode by typing powercfg.exe/hibernate off, or adjust the hibernation file size by typing powercfg/h/size% and choosing a value between 50 and 100. By changing the hibernation file type, you can optimize your disk space and consequently your device's performance. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to specify hibernation file type in Windows 10, linked in the description below.